Good morning, enthusiastic family. I'm Mehak Agarwal from India, and I'm privileged to have a session with you guys. Um, let me start from introducing myself. I was shot to the limelight many a times for winning national level art contests, and I believe one should follow the voice of his heart. Themes and topics will fall simultaneously into place. I still remember that I was a kid and I used to scribble my thoughts and my imaginations on papers. And it was that time my parents discovered my talent and my creativity. And did their best to make me follow my passion. Sometimes I used to take a break from my art classes, and because of my studies and my examination, but still I never took a break from art, and I continued to practice it at home. And now I've improved my art from nothing to what I am today. And now talking about the pandemic, for which none of us were prepared for, but as of now, I am glad that I was able to utilize my quarantine period efficiently, and I could improve my artwork and have a opportunity to showcase my artwork like all around the world. Now, uh, let me share some of my artworks with you. So this is a portrait of my mother and my younger sibling, my brother, on canvas, which was painted with acrylic paints. Now, this is a tribute to the legendary actor Irfan Khan in the form of a pencil portrait. This is a tribute to the hero of our time, Sushant Singh Rajput. Uh, this is even in the form of a pencil portrait. So, this is something for Vinti Auntie, who is the founder of Enthusiastic Family, and I would like to do something for her. I'm doing some doodle art using her name and using a field that excites us. Uh, Now, I'm just writing her name roughly.
Just to add a few words, if since everyone might not know Vinti, so Vinti is the founder of Enthusiastic, and she's one of the most hardworking lady I've ever seen. I am great, like all of us are great to be in like connect with her.
Now, I'm just writing her name in rough. Now, I'd start from making a paintbrush here. And here I'll make a fountain pen. I've made V using a paintbrush and a fountain pen. Now I'll make I using a pencil. Now comes N, which I'm gonna use palette, a painting palette. So this would look quite unusual, but I'm just using my creativity. You can use yours. Now I'll make some color patches to make it look more like a painting palette. And I'll make a hole here and insert a paintbrush. Now for T, I'll make one eraser. And along with a pencil again, now for I, I'll make one watercolor painting tube. I'm not going into depth, like I'm not doing any realistic shading or coloring because it's just a doodling. So you can do whatever interests you. You can even try like other themes, like if cricket interests you, then you can try using cricket. As I have used art equipment, you can use anything that interests you. You can use your creativity to your name or anything you want, and you can use any theme like art or cricket or singing. Like there are equipments for singing, you need a mic, a speaker, or there are many things. So you can use that and make your name.